na ku fodwe sa coronavirus enye nose mask ene be say
dabi
enye sanitizer ene be mana
spirit man e kasa
o refi sem betina
obe kan
me she entoma kan why deserve bi wo
yes
ebe ka say mun fe won munim de wa ha
aban mu
na mun kreti ahaban adu ema yare new waves na mo ka enya magana new waves ne ko America kuro kesi ya kura mpi
enuru ho
musu new waves aba nipa wu wa brabum awa ma nipa wu no enya no ma me betena aka
o kan
si nipa du
yes date ne bia
me aya na me pe say me shen koma me bo repeat I don't like it sunsun na aka say we opa fa opa ajai
November na
yes
no
inti janet ye we catch us nipa be wu more but still nipa nyamu there is more to come no August the time
August ye ba be wuru
August the time yes okay one we be sua be sie be 2.5 billion
oh we are say
e wo Ghana August yanko
Nyankopon enhyalo nyo kese Awurade Nyankopon enhyalo nyo kese Awurade Nyankopon enhyalo nyo kese yasaba biemo na ene mo ankasa mo nu se dandan nyana na kwa mo man contact betra se dia na me ne the authentic the continental sensational global chairman the man of the moment the continental man the spirit man bebe fano spirit no such so spirit ase eyosunsu ne rebo brana afa pa na papa nsema oka no afa na nipa agye tumu na afa na nipa ese obi afra oka se papa onsem na oka ne se no kan na nipa nyi sunsun sema se na ne ye be bowo sunsun sema amoti sunsun sema se bebre se na ensanti sunsun sema se na afa na bebre ati ase ndande ne nkofo fra papa mo papa ensem na kan na no because onyanska bebre afa wa bofo mo abrebo mo bate se wo abrebo mo nipa bebre so ti abrebo mo ate se okuna ni ma enko oba de chisu a emba ogina fa ko sunsun sema na ene yen se ho kra yen se ho ye ko the spirit man chen na ene iwosum netie because ensem no de bana no dene o se eyesunsun maduma na komsefo aduma 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 hey spirit your co spirit man the great man the man of the moment the continental sensation global chairman the global chairman so be go there e bo fa that there fa hey Awurade Nyankopon enhyɛ obi bia o share spirit man ahiti na sunsun o de ba be adwuma na no dene na ye bawura mu tantam spirit man ye mo akwaba e ba kuma se online tv so papa we de wadaroma ene ensembre bebre ye pese o kasafa partnership no se na ne nkofo bebre pese mo join partnership no ye kasafa ho wia na fe ene ya ba adekudie ntia ye hia mu ha no
medical ka say partnership ne bibiara one angel partner medical ka say partnership ne bibiara opese one ofu angels na memedi omo ye adwu pese me ne omo partner
ato no munya connection
ne omo nya
okay
you friend line na or another line
okay
you okay this line we so go the line for force and then the partnership
okay
it's all the partnership when I make a say you senior partnership and junior partnership it's all the partnership both for now what me ye adwuma no na nu ba benya
kunimpu
na yaye enoma ndi enoma na memfa ntudwa because yesunsun sem emu di
na se enyo bia kekenetim be bie
wa brabo na pimu utimi se wa brabo na
wo ye hye nye yie omo no omo hia spirit
wa wo nim so a wo extra man say pese me ko extra ma e wa brabu afi ma bre pese me ko extra ma
sunsun me bo me na me nko
tie tworo na che ka se tworo ne nye me tie tworo no me tie di tworo no so di emrasem na wotu me tie che ba still no man fan bra tworo na so me do me ko extra ma e wo tworo nim
na se papa nipa bebre kan bible no so mun nim die wo bible nim
sana tie the powers in the Old Testament. Powers in the Old Testament. You person who power the Old Testament.
Hani hiyankufo no.
O person who power.
Spirit.
Powers now. O person who has spiritual powers. The Old Testament. And o person life no. Brabo no tine nenya brabo. Holiness, faithfulness, no comfort in the New Testament.
Okay.
The New Testament, just a reflection the mind of the Old Testament. The new name back old. Yes. Now power dia. Spiritual power dia. Up so break you up brabo. Old Testament. Also keys war.
Old Testament no. Nice Old Testament in a different penny for the Old Testament in no
sanity. The keys for more keys. Keys for one. The Bible na I am mama say. Any people kuta Bible. Say, but still kuta Bible was in the. What is the essence? I won't find the. There is spiritual key. There is so spiritual and spiritually 1 + 1 and 2.
Sunsumu no
1 + 1 here 1.
1 + 1. Ayo ko school enim say baako eyemienu no. Sunsumu no baako ya baako.
Baako ya baako. Spirituality no are not meant for those who understand. They are meant for those who understand the spirituality. They understand sacrifice. Sacrifices.
For the ball.
There were the 3 levels of sacrifices. So, and you want the levels of spirituality. We do realms beer. We do realms beer. It take a lot of sacrifices, and then we break.
Realms.
Aye. We do realms beer. It take a lot of sacrifices, and then we break. It is spirituality, nankasano. It means for those who are mature in Christ. Without maturity in Christ, you can never understand spirituality. Okay. It is soon in seminal. Yes, I would take no mercy. Yes, I would take no mercy. That's why I said, me a lot of things are bad. It may shine at the I say, we're not so the reality things of God. Really, now, reality. Your
body and
I say, Debbie, me buy a catcher and the neck of say. The neck of Fodry. Some coronavirus. And you know, mask and the best
Debbie.
And then a sanitizer.
Spirit man ekasa
o refisem betina
obekan
me she tomato why deserve you
yes
ebeka say mun fre won munim de wa haban
mu
na mun kreti haban adu e ma yare new waves na mo ka enya ma Ghana new waves ni ko America kuro kesi ya kura mpi musu new waves aba. You are entertaining the sickness. And so many equipment. The first one's in the buy and money equipment. The second one buy money. The third one and a sharp. Wawana warban, wawan or boa, a so a snake, or free ocean, or free a pussy. It is the first one a call, the second one a call, the third one a call, and the fourth one, beba. The fourth one, Tiari till 2030. It is the fourth one on any the dragon, the Antichrist, on never. It is only that the fourth one that near shall say, what penny be yes or no one. No one what the announce won't me bank. It is who is God? God is unseen being. Won't me for me where we are in a couple. But what in our body, the mystery man, we are dating our body. Can some man and winting we are doing a couple and our body am a nipper. Yes, go say nippon for body and your jaw. And nothing no more Moses Poma. You better I can't say my enemy say nippano woman tia. Oh, I am trying to explain myself. Say Spirituality are meant for those who are understand spirituality. One tia see a debi and over fight now. Verse in a bind, what could be? But still nipping. Mini me suffer. Associate pastor. My baby a chair fan sofata. I'm ba. Ako wubi. I am in Quanca Nebenu. You did torchlight a sauna. Now so said now I you did light, you know, light a woo soy. Now so, which means say. The sickness na enye vaccine no na bamanako enye vaccine no na bamanako and which sickness no enye nose mask no na bamanako and enye sanitizer no na bamanako but osuo ade miensa me dey can catch you say osuo ade miensa and let's prepare this nim tree mo ye herbal for no mo nkofo nim tree no na wo de nim tree no mo fa nyanyoma Yen shad ye say ya bitima bakrum ha. Ye ade wo so ye nyame abode. Wo so nyame abode da ho. Breke se wo mo se mo pe. Garlic wo mo se mo pe. Na me kire ejene mu a. Na sugma ba be kire ejene na de de. Jene. Yes. Onion. Yes. Very powerful. Jene cure HIV. Jene. Yes, for 21 days. HIV is ne kutana. Ese just spirit. Me na make a chow. Jenny, so the casa will be a prostrate or power winter Jenny see. One phantom in a non sauce and that. Say robber at the robber too will bear memoir. Robber, you say to me. Jenny is very powerful. Jenny will be also went to you. Yet Jenny frail woman would be our Jenny kuta Indians be a very powerful but nipper Jenny at the chibayi. Jenny name was so na obi oton Jenny be so tini nyeska Jenny ye di freska Jenny udi dware abayfo timi ma nchen Jenny udi dware Jenny etu cancer Jenny etu your friend say kidney stones Jenny kidney problem Jenny sayare bebre diabetes hypertension Spirit man akasa no erade nyankopon shira enti nyankopon ayede abosa anoma ne yati krumu ha I have binding train which shall stay Mose vaccine vaccine so wa so mfa Mose vaccine de beni enti me chi ni pasa abrapa ne di sunsun ne bobra o se ni pewu nipe wu wa brabum awa ma nipe wu no e no ma me betena aka o kan se nipe bu yes date de bia me so e na me pe say me hye nkoma me bo repeat I don't like it sunsun na aka say we o pa ajai November na yes inti janet ye me catch you say nipe be wu more but still nipe nyamu there is more to come no August the time August ye ba be August the time Hey, yes. Okay, one way, be share me be see be 2.5 billion. Oh, we are say e wo Ghana. Okay, se nko a ni pe be wu. Enti abrabo no ye de enye ye ni kan ye de bobra. I'm telling you the truth. Enye ni kan ye de bobra.
Papa fe na sansen na o kan nkofo ti ase pa because e say o betu ni esu ewu betu ni esu ewu
me yare pa e ka den kan
anka wu
so kaya
e kai pa
ko Kenya ba kan me wu ba mi do odwan ese sa mekra
o di odwan
mi do odwan chiwo ni shi odwan ni chi odwan ni ti atons na me nyankwa so atimase enti kai enti sunsun masem no eya na menti enyomase nipa wo problem na wiase so stay si sunsun sem menyin me de bebo mpai ka sakaraba shake ni abuni tuoku ni kabarutu niski disi ya to yare ato ne yam sa no mo de na mo sunsun sem no they don't know your spiritual works buwurem nso ye nso dwe buwurem nso na da ho na enye anto adea ye nyame na boy buwurem kwasabi fire nnoma koteti nyenya koteti susumasa koteti utame wa akokọ mesa otete no man pusa koto bucket mo no fodwane ade yo krada papa bucket ni nara ye nyoma gu hu ye sunsun nyoma gu hu what you say a bay leaves to no a bay leaves in suo no what you say no ni skansuo fa cinnamon ni esi chiefra what you say fodwane bo se won lucky sikada ye chire nyoma ni panye
Spirit!
It's really the reality things of Nyanko for one for baby my son said you move. Dear what born and a watch out. Dear what born and a watch out. It's you and the neck for yes, how about for a woman. For me, may you advert mobia. But for a woman, being a good dream. Being no maintenance.
Monkey come out, Jim.
Monkey come out, Jim. She said, Yarine Bakwa. Massa. Ahaban wo tumi eye nyame abode ahaban wo ni tumi natural no wo ni tumi dada ye wo ahaban bi wo dwuso guso ayeso obamawu
ahaban bo no
yes atwa so dwuso guso ayeso obamawu
wo so obamawu dwuso guso a
ai instant wo ayeso obamawu
na papa obi won ma no onim sa ahaban ye sa
wo dwuso guso obeyi wa wo de ti na ma bebre ntimi wo no oso mu gina ba bia dwuso gu ba bi oh munim sa haba obeyi wa wo de esisi a
ahaban
yes obi so wo husband ba kwa opa won pa ponchirani mu no
ya aponchani o
no mu no mie nanum no o husband ni ntinte so ntu nanum husband ni mabi
wo yo sunsun bajuma
na Egypt Dientina Egypt, Rade commande man puncheni ba. Puncheni pa krumu pepe. Floods are very powerful.
Puncheni so.
Yes.
Puncheni so, anu se timi de ya de.
Flood.
Puncheni.
Uti sa asem na. Eye se o ma na bese. Wo de oti de ne kra fa bese tu so ni. Akofi ko hwe. Obi a wo bo dua bi adua ntimi nya. Rade dia punche ni kesi Egypt man. Yusu frog man back room. But so ni moja. One day to no use up punche ni. Ye spiritual things for. Rade ye normal Old Testament mu. Spiritual keys for. But ni pump spiritual things. And mo pension. Je be den na me corona man o sabe me. Enye me da. This one we try to so the trouble to so. Say ba o message me. Emira nim triwo, emira garlic. Now the power of idea you find the garlic in money more. Garlic wo the garlic too sika so say. Now wo da. Wo da sika no so. Now no pa no face can bomb pa you declare the two pass one. Yes say say dey ultimate claim sika. Just like that, yes. That's what me claim sika. On your juma, say nipa chill sika. For the whole day, no.
Spirit man.
Garlic is a spiritual fight. A cool soon them out.
Garlic,
yes. And now boy nisu, and the antichrist nisu, the serpent no. Wa na wo pie na wo keke nipa. Eya wo. Eya coronavirus is a snake. Ufre pu ne pie.
Simple.
It won't cut that one till some more be use more herbs. Use your herbs or mine. Use your herbs. Use your herbs. We see the big that one penny. You people will die. You are embracing this sickness. The war ban. No, your war. Our shadow or cover within 3 seconds. Say so to me. Yes. And the 4th way never and you're dead. Send the 3rd way. Ya really now quiet until 2013 October 2013 sorry 2030 until say ya really
that's 9 more years
yes and sana Ghana mon pese ya really be bamuku ya really nya ma se mon pese be ba dia use your Masa can be masa. You will be a coat. And I can't say we are dead in the realms of the spirit. Jesus was a younger guy. But soon when you know Yako. You soon me yini me Yako. Me yini me Yako crowd soon. Me Yako crowd me yini soon. Ah, who soon me yini soon. Biosumu. And Yama be me yini. Ah, me Yako crowd. Pusu soon. Whom you more 99 years. You will soon.
Our spiritual realms.
I me kutapuma. I'm teen Fuji. Me are dead, will soon. Me are dead, minimum sem will soon. Minimum rams be
Papa, Nese, Yaliano, a number drew Ghana.
Me see Yalian young me drew Ghana. A young Ukra, America Granaba. It is a lie, Yaribian Ghana.
I expect my neck as I say a young Dura. Na se mo pese mo bomo be ne yare ne makura dia ene yemura enhaban mu yemura enhaban mu papa
yare ne yanduru haba yare no me chiro de ebeduru Ghana
papa dis oka
e free August mo e comment be September na yare ne beba Ghana yenye wura September ma watch it ending of September watch it ending and then I wura November ma wura de
October November
ma wura de you people won't even control yare and use your heads
it's papa na obi won na say
and yare we on phone sanitizer or chiwa obo
wura
wa it nipa no bo wa no obo for wani 3 days I so timi Obesensene, or Chiwa nonsense, or Boas nonsense.
No do call.
Yes, go and ask India for.
India they Kumo
die. More one was slain, but still people are dying. And then Kufado, please. We will have papa no. Stand up, rise. Ukurumu hanyoma wa hawati. Nyankopu wa maye nyoma. Kewurade. Nyamia maye habai. Use your heads. Nana. Believe in heads. Use your heads. Fight against this sickness. Fight it. It is a demonic sign. But use your heads. So be me. Now, people say, "Me young boy, but me you was spiritual." Try and use your heads. Fanko fua o man kwajere wo helps
bibi drum.
No man starting keken no mabu. Na mun true sound doctors and tonchene.
Spirit.
No man discana check. Sika no man dia check. O man dia check. Na mun ma helps for nemra. Na mun hwa dia bi besi. Me na meka che o mo dia duru no ma no mo a. No virus. No, why are you fighting against God? God abode. Why? Why are you fighting? Obi biara so obede. So obeji koro obeji gay, lesbian natu. That person will die. Obi biara obede. So obeji gay. Any lesbian natu. Me money pane 1 month. We are paying your parliament. Withdraw your case. Or God will kill you.
The people be jiggy lesbian natu.
Yes. Our parliament. Be sign. Watch it. Ghana bet is Sodom and Gomorrah.
Cash.
You people are bringing death upon this land. You don't know. Mukran, Mujesu, Nipa Mujesu. Nipa innocent people omo ba munyan koma sem mom e bit say amen swali ni mo jesu e bit say kakai wo e friend say adwira omo mo jesu e bit say nkwala no mo watakrade no omo mo jesu e bit say kasro omo mo jesu people are crying innocent blood e mo jesu mo can be my woman. You are bringing another disaster upon this country. Watch me. I am the God of Elijah that brings fire upon this earth. Listen to me. When we talk, something happen. Mopa, mo diamond there. Some beji gay, ni lesbian, not to more parliament. it will bring disaster. More person will see oh my Ghana. But listen, oh my Ghana.
Spirit.
God will arise
upon
this nation.
Spirit of God.
Radinyan kupon to me babechi. Never yet juma. Listen, be me na me be shan come say.
Yes.
Me na be shan come say Reverend Bofo. Watch it. What that guy? Me see Reverend Bofo. Immediately Peppa obey Ghana president.
Reverend Bofo.
Masaka be.
What's that can be?
Watch it. Reverend Bofo. Watch that guy very careful. Immediately Peppa. Reverend Bofo underground. Ah, what to Tony Yama. Nipa be Jimmy Pansem obe pie pum. Opia. All the political parties, you know, sa NDC, MPP, no, money now, obe minimum. And people will begin to follow this guy. Then some of the youth, no, people will begin to listen. Reverend Bofo did the nation Ghana turn it. Now something is about to happen on this land. Watch it again. Me say Reverend Bofo. I am saying it again. Me say Reverend Bofo. Obeba be here on my penny wa Ghana. Mark my words.
Hey! And the spirit na no edene. Enu ramo afeni ba be wuram ba bia ya ba be hyase no. Afeni ba be wuram wo kwesena enankasa no. Ye de baye kwesena ankasa mo ankasa mo de tuma kuma sa na memusa the general papa no. Afeni ba be wuram na ensem na susu no fa na so akasa sesen an odene. Reverend Bofo. Hey, papa.
Okay. Obian Chwanto. That is a prophecy. Obian Chwanto. Messi Obian Chwanto. Sa message you are me man. Enko vara mame. Me pese Reverend Bofo na kasa wotibi. Me na me ma bawura ne dem. Abawura ne fie sisi a. Me hu se watena se a wo program. No se me ba be obeye crusade bebre. A crusade no ba be no. Nya hene crusade of talking. Obekasa kire youth. People are big nipa ba be start yadon. Me see awurade be ma kwa na ba be yo man panyi. Watch my words. Me see Reverend Bofo. O man panya konya no obe di biansa no bawu. Watch my words. Me na make a chero. Ne enko vara wa Reverend Bofo is a great man. Is a great president. Me see Kwame Bebo be di Ghana konya. Watch it. Now MPP ni NDC should watch out for this guy. This guy is coming. Now Kwawe Oba. Now people be shocking nipa. Dom be to say in the years of Kwame Nkrumah mere. I nipa follow no sang be. Reverend Bofo, Kwaku Bofo, you show. Kwaku Bofo, you show. No Kwaku Bofo, you show. No me channel mama. Show boy Kwaku Bofo. Nipa be di boy we yechi. Many people boy we be sweat. Sa afrano e wo my Ghana ni na. Nipa ni na do mo be hu asema mekan. It is a prophecy. Now that is written Yentimi pepa no. That says the Lord God. That says the Lord in the realms of the Most High God. Me bowura sun tebia. Makoma kunkonya nson 7 esi ho. Na me hu sa Bofo no eye meeting. Ya peja Ghana konya de amana wi. Eye sunsun me be manifesting. Watch it. This time 2024 womu ko ombaba beto aba. Watch it. NDC ni MPP womu di omumre. Erincha you vanish. Maybe
hey erani amu poncha no kese ahaye Kumasi online TV na sunsun no ba wapa so ensem na oka no ona de bi oka no sunsun sam en ti se de ayese obia de timiti sunsun sam ase dise nipa na dwuma bie nipa otin sam ko sunsun mu na timiti sunsun sam ase wase a time is coming emre bi eba Reverend Bofo papa nese akunya e wo sunsun no ya wo level bia na akunya wo sunsun
unu se Reverend Bofo sunsun mo president
spiritually
sunsun or Ghana president
spiritually but physically don't president
Debbie nti a descend atoni tum se be president bowura isi wo da president nkwa no dwem say me be Jimmy youth ni free nsem
the beyond also
Kwame Nkrumah yi ne ho adi a che ne 7 times
king of the street.
Kwame Nkrumah, when they are people will insult me, but prophecy is meant for those who are mature in the realms of the spirit. I am downloaded into the realms. I am speaking the word of God. Listen to me very carefully. Reverend Obofo will become a president of this country. Whether people will like it or not, this guy will come. Yes.
He said, you'll be expected to say, I will be a boom or Ghana or Timber.
Rapture. Watch it. And a symbol, you know, meet my catch him and a symbol of Deba.
Enka.
And a color, ne party, ne color,
Enka.
Ne journalist phobia are starting and then link. Meet my boss, I journalist needy. If you radio station be, no another radio station. Nippana wa catch Nippana say, I want to do this. Something is about to happen. The youth is about to take the baton from the old man's hands.
Already you go put on your kesiye. Hey, another me say empire obejo ha o. Obejo papa susum sam no. There were different types of susum sam and say there were realms bia ne level bia ne na wo ka say o say level bia ne sacrifice aye. Level 1, level 2, level level say
me da say. Obi biara oso obompa ye bia obi o say wo ye maturity in prayer bia wo ne say prayer ni betima cause harm in the realms of the spirit. Prayer onyankopon wa obetimi akumu bi na opagya.
Nyambetimi akumu bi na opagya.
Ah yes. Prayer ni betime akumu bi.
Okay,
to take sacrifice. Nti prayer ni betimi e de obi ato. Enye se nipa ni watamfo. Prayer na we born. There's a level of prayer and there's a level of sacrifice in the realms of the spirit. And there's a level of directions in the realms of the spirit.
Iti nese papa de bia bompa ka se nipa bia osorite ye body to pain no hwani na no etimi ko ka obi
eno ne ye war prayer by your level do wa wadu we say wa bompa yesa wa pem eno man koso ma ha onyame betimi kumu bi wo wabusuam na wa pagya. Yes,
nipa ne nya baifo
there be
onya baifo
there be ye wo level bu ho akura onyame betimi kunuma abum kunuma miensa betimi njoma na fu so wadu realms bi wadu another realms bi
na papa no temptation na say
temptation ye realms
baifo so
ye realms a woko ye realms bi na wodu wetimi du realms bi kura e me jetimi to fi mi hye. Eno ne ye temptation ye realms to na me du wura the realms ni.
Iti nyame na ma ni si na enye bonsam
na ma ni si
enye bonsam
ai bonsam bo ka che Awurade Nyankopon se we wako Job esi wa ma ne wa mo ni die no so ma ko Job die se me ginyo ma ni na fi nsem kura si obedi machi no se na ma me kwan na me nkwaye ne sa o se ko iti nyame na ma kwan e ma bonsam be ha nipa enye bonsam na na pe e ma enye bonsam na na pe e be how God give authority to Satan and Satan comes after you. Into when you mean a Satan no suit to me. Into realms be it take a lot of sacrifice. Abraham bompire we na see na it said unto me because take your son Isaac for me. It is a sacrifice. I've sacrificed ben why am Awurade Nyankopon pese opija. Sacrifice ben emu oduma. Awurade so sacrifice on your blood. Sacrifice, the last level of sacrifice, the blood. It is sacrifice, moja. It is sacrifice, Ben, I will what take it. Our person who bore in the realms of the spirit. It is Christianity, Nanka said that one would diablo. Because Obi one, yes, so Timmy, no, D, we see there be so. Obi yes, so Timmy, free one, I worry, we see there be so. bu yesu otimi free one na otimi wo usi da bi misu nti is a level. It's a level. And the TV Joshua no woman we it was a sacrifice for the synagogue.
The master the
aye. So okay, disaster can see be say ba. Disaster na ba no. We say the first church no, the church ni bubum. It was a disaster. And another one nkofo bi say ko wui. Ah, nkofo bi ko wui it now until rather be ko say wo. Me do be gina ma wo. Me we dey ku.
Next and red bears and what you need to be on super show what you are.
Sanity. Who want to keep sacrificing? In the realms na ya kwenya. Tini wo 2-4 na no 2-4 cent to me bon dia mabum. Also one handful in the realms. The answer you would do sa kwenya no so what take a lot of sacrifice. Until you take a sacrifice, won't mean ya throw no. To be biana or person will now kwenya wo sunsun e take moja.
Be biara e wo se onya kwenya wo sunsun e take moja. Papa moja no e nipa moja na se aboa moja.
O de makasa wi. Untimi misam sa question. So be biara o person onya kwenya e wo ranse e take moja. Say ya aboa moja say ye nipa moja makasa mi mo moja bi ati.
Nti papa te so bi show no ka se be se o bia me ko rams mu na se me ye ni pakese o rams mu
ha ahini ekura akunya na esi wo no eteki bibi ansa na ye de akunya na ma wotimi metena akunya no so keke o my god akunya na esi wo no eteki ye akunya ye de bibi na ye ene bai eteki a lot of sacrifice ansa na akunya besi wo. The big six energy mo mind see wo almost muti da so enti take wo mo di enti no mo do mo nkotwa so akunya ni si wo enti depend wo pese wo wura ram said ya you need to take and you need to go extra mile before so be akunya kai na se unti free pa ko penka se o pese onya akunya bi tena so o pese wo ye odefo o pese o me otufo nti take dominions take first realms second realms nti na mto say Christianity no o realms ni na gina prayer and sacrifice enye sika ukwa ya na tofo no you so see 4,000 who so see debe 4,000 obetimi so bofom mu say obi so see di wa so dem say so oni sika ko de to gare ni beans wasan bofom wo sa kire no there is a power be wo fi ho there is a power be a what wa kwenya so a wo so won sori e yeso kum na fa kwenya ntena so ansana Isaiah dey enwu awurade ni monyam Hosea wewi enti before say we be take dominion in the realms no Jesus will beat me na take dominion na lift away from baby akọ baby na shift to the dominion obi owa eyiso obi onyo ben foko obi owa Jesus no was sacrifice them out and sana wo ba be pija
no de nko twa
yes buso ni we obi sure say wo bless us ready for me call na we pija na take dominion.
In fact, you are indeed a spirit. Now, the one say, "Okasunsun sam asem na waka no wankata tafia wankata wo say no kore." Nipa bi amfiro no ma nipa bi yie die ma. Wankata wo hwa. Wankasa wo so utimu say obi wo so bi firi wansa na wo yie die aba. Wan na mfiro ma wo yie die aba. Papa eno no sa no, wo say obompa de dende.
Na me cho say a prayer and at the same time it's a lot of sacrifice. It's a quantity su.
Okay.
It take me sunsu mo bia wa sesegwa.
Spiritually.
Yes, who throne. Wakonya we.
Me.
When you me born on my throne, David throne. Into unka David asefo. Wo so wo throne wo abusuam. Wo fi wo bon tombe.
Oyoko.
Sa into maame na wo no de tu abusuam ni. Wo maame wo wie na awurade ama wo throne bi say yes wo fa na odi so. Ana bayfo bi abefa. Tumi bi abefa. In the realms no Zodia, Amaga, Shamuna, Gaia, Musuna, Efonuna, Sa to me no ne realms na benfo kwa no musa. Enti omo ji omo powers ni na free the 6 realms for Azad. Sa Azad go ono hono na omo ji nipa moja. Enti abenfo ne timi ku. Enti obu wo hyebro wani munyam usuna abenfo ne timi ku. Omo ku na no ma ji wakonya no. Enti yese wu na utimi uteki dominion. Who take dominion over the witchcraft who fear, who break protocols, who destroy woman, who destroy woman we are, who do a much from a fay nipper be a water our queen, so yes, who we are queen, baby, do not take dominion. Now, we'll run rams in him. So we'll be into me and qua, and I said sacrifice being to me and sure you can never go far.
Hey! Very deep.
I mean, just say, those who are carnality will never understand my teachings. Until so one two so I dream baby because what dream me here. Want to say that Jesus and son of Jesus be take dominion. John the Baptist in the woman. Listen to me. John the Baptist. Elizabeth, Mary. Nani nuane Mary. Na omuni na afi David fie. O se na David fie na meba. Nti David asefo any Jesus, any John the Baptist, any Elizabeth, any Mary. Na omuni na ya busuya. It came to pass say angel Gabriel akwa ka kire Zachariah say Zachariah highly favored. Na Elizabeth bewo ana Zachariah challenge bofo no. In the realms of the spirit, we challenge bofu abofu kura utimi tu wano naneka. Na se bofu timi ku. Nti obi biara abofu be sane obi so no be ka asema kiro na be doubt no. Na se wonya ne bofu ni timi how. The Bible say na bofu ne to Zachariah no. Within a year no nkasa. No se ansa na wo obejimedi no. This a mouth sign no to na no. Enti na so fu wo okay, see a bit many church members.
So do me.
Aye, so do me obi wa bontia. No many members start here your church members.
Sir,
aye. Because in the realms of the spirit, akunya me ensebo ho yes oji. Do the church members na kwaji akunya.
What you mean the church members kwaji akunya?
Wonti asia na. Akunya me ensebi wo wa. Wo wura realms bi.
Okay.
Eh yes wo jia sa akunya me ensa.
Okay.
Ba wo refi ana obi abeka. Obi abeka no me na ekon. Makesi mu, mayemu sei no, rems ni mu no. Afre na rems ni biema wo. Ebiema wa ebe fa nipa me yensa wo waso mu. Wo nya wakonyam. Enti no me ni ntimi take dominion wo nipa no so da. Enti nipa
ba wa church members.
Ba wa church members so anase nkola na no mo. Na no me ni bro mo so. Enti wo die. And who be say na wo take dominion wo rems.
Anti papa yenim sofu bi mre bi
mesel
yembo bi adi
dabi yenko yen ka so fa sem tita ka she fofu
enti se nipa se na o se opeja no se nipa no de na se nipa o ya kwanche ni nyina achi na se obi anwi a na se nipa no de o ntim peja da
me na me ka chiro never di obuwa ise me so obi conform san wadi obi am conform a me so obuwa wontim ni listen to me. Jesus oba na ni throne na you throne kese ye so wo fa diso what just here John the Baptist ne born so
yeah
so ya phone mu o be ka chen say na wo ni Messiah no se dabi na de wo ba me de wo so say me na wo de jam frama na bebo masu na me de su na bebo masu now ye chi ni wie ye no say John the Baptist ko hye nkom bi e ma nkom ne ho ba asem ama ya chi ye chi no wo de tie ye chi na didn't question John the Baptist didn't question o se mun ko kan mun semi nua keto na say Messiah no nte se ya chi me na Jesus ka chi mo se mun ko ka John say twa say bam na me di ahimie ne ko ba bi ye se me de ko
twa say John the Baptist uwu
na me take dominion enti when obi awu a wuntimi take dominion enti Abraham ankasa wo ba ba ye rich no ewurade nyankopɔ ka che se fa ba Isaac ko it was obey command authority obedience. The word of God is obedient. When you obey God, you understand the sacrifice of God. Without obedience, you can never understand the sacrifice of God. So God a sacrifice. And to person when we are doing Yankopon sika yem dia, you must to sacrifice. And you sika, you must to go the extra mile. Say akunya na me.
Spirit!
Makonya. Enti moja yesi moja hwibu from Gaza yaba.
Enti papa na say obi wo ho na say obi film. Na say nipa ni hira hira say eba ejesika duro.
Ejesika duro. Yesi nipa ne call pow. What is so? Cha wo so dodo. What wa wari no so wa cha wa yadai. Drive nipa no. What you say?
What you say? Already Nyankopon e show no nyokese a kuma say online TV na the great continental sensational global chairman ana in the nation na dan na wo say ni sama oka no e na emu odu na anu odene emu odu ama anu odene ne papa e ba ha no ode nyama bi ba ha ye pese papa e che ne ma no de ba ni nyam ne ade a etimi de sade ne ye na papa wo ka se mi say nipa kula no ya mo nipa so blam di hia but bebre di hia it papa be de nipa bi won wiase a we ne de ya ne hyebre no
obera yanwo no awrani amfa sika we ama amfa sika we ama wona yesa oba asase so na abepe obi biara yawo ni bia yentwa sika ama wona yesa obepe now ekwan ben so na yesa ope
aha ne hia no
sa kwan na make sure say the reality things of
okay
what the abode na ma wawi
okay
usu na mu se mebre no abode na ode ama na yesa practice
abode na
be mauska
abode na be twiska bro
sanity when you practice abode na be mauska when you don't know the mysteries of abode na you suffer and then now be start akaseti as can the ready but no be shane them now all your practice you be so for people to market set can the ready and chilling nso nye so shane them jali so kese ekoto bridge over o power for the any pedi mi keba a church member na suffer. Now, Makacho, I am about to open your eyes. Say the candle here, Juma.
Candle?
Yes. Candle, a callous.
Okay.
Callous. A radina popon.
Okay.
See, I've made you in a many cloth of callous. Catch Joshua. Catch Joseph. Say my young mede callous be now in Ephesians chapter 11-12 was say enya woni honam ni moja na nya woni ewema tumfo kabrichi adamu hu tumi abomfa woni hu na no unseen beings and beings powers principalities authorities demons realms ni a woni omenya na woni omenya no wi a yesi take dominion.
Okay.
Dominion na yes all taking you must to go to extra mile.
Okay.
Extra mile and then you must to know the reality things of God. Reality things of God is the creation of God. Creation in India no boy you so who bia and the open. You so what you say from a crab or tell from us would be say when you from a casa will be you will be the open.
From a bond bias
it take angelic sign from an born chilo se brown on the casa chime winds was it and was it and the wind of God blow was it not and from a buff will be by they be taking a snowfall into wind some from an ijinamunyame some from an ijiname wading yankopon.
Let's papa okasa no be bia wo me hunu se ade bi na me boye bia no of them body man nipa da se ne wo get the yard
won se me me pie pa me pie kwa na oba adu adwa wo se die ntina wo pie de ntina no nti ase me ne mfama kokasa me ne nua kokasa
e be hu bia no ujira
me jira me ne jira na kasa me ne nim kiri kasa me se etie ni o maba wan kwa ko piska mra mi ahon enti me ne nua kasa. I talk to trees, I talk to wind, I talk to animals. Enti omuni na ye awurade abode ye enu nti na na ma ba se me pa be kire how to connect yourself to get fast money.
How to connect yourself to get fast money.
Yes.
Ahana me do o say e kombe so na be faso a ubetimi anya sika ntentem ubetimi connect won anya sika ntentem ena papa be kire na papa.
Now it takes faith. We need GDA we ya enye yi.
It's nice papa. Na wo kasa utimi ko gina edua won edua kasa no e wugidie no ana wo de kasa che dua no
de kasa che dua edua nso so nyanya me na bo no
edua bia
anti minim se edua na me kasa che nyankopon Yesu tie me.
Okay.
ade ti ne nkofo kwa atwamantis ha o ma nkofo pepa ne dadoa o mo de bodie ma na be ya adwuma
papa
e die gina o mo nya enti me konsu a me ni nsuo ne kasam sitie me nsuo urade na bo baba me ba ya na nya bone me ba se me bra enti me se wo koya kokko yusu no me bia da me su bia break no man eso ti me no break ususu manu dire I walk by faith not by sight.
Okay.
I walk by faith not by sight. Faith no so you the seven levels of faith. Yes, it was crazy faith. Unseen faith e bi ni won se wo.
Unika plus 100 billion.
Put me 20 million the chobi. I will name say last 20 million.
Cash.
Now they are more be so coffee. So by hook or person tin na bi.
Crazy faith.
Crazy faith. We do sa level na we so bibia because why sacrifice nesi.
It is as crazy faith in na Abraham mo bi no.
Sanity. No na Abraham timi di Isaac e ko.
Cash.
We rather say for baba ko pe crazy faith. Me baba ko pe de ya. E crazy faith.
We last one we get
it na ye bibia bi. Na we break.
Cash.
Crazy faith ye be all out.
All out.
Me ko be me ko bibia bi. Do or die. You see me break.
Cash.
That is the crazy faith.
Cash. Ana ye woji di ankasa kwa ankasa so bomb penalty.
Oh, chere na woji je ni me 50-50. But crazy faith in it or you do or die.
Cash.
Me bom no sumoni.
We say still the be year.
Ebia mountains kese. So obi anko. But we jide ni chese so we do man
kai. We benya sunsun foforo.
Yes bibiti me.
Spirit!
You crazy face.
Spirit!
I'm see abua o be ka us me ka. Me kopa. Me ba be pija. That is the crazy faith. What do you say here there?
That crazy faith is no papa.
Nyam papa ba wie. Na sa ba dwen kom.
We tell funny.
Ebe funny. Ni yemfa. Hey, we no the wojidi and jidi ye crazy.
Ha ni here. Papa,
Daruma. Me be kire. You 2 times.
Two times.
Na me be kire.
Okay.
Do ose. Opa adwuma.
Dia ose opa adwuma.
Oni adwuma yo tifie.
Oni adwuma ye.
Many years.
Cash.
Enfreme. Me kira o meme. O be kira o me wie no.
No mo se be frɛ o.
O me ye wie na. O ma ye so. O mfro da. O mutiri mo dey. O mutiri mo dey. O mfrɛ wo.
Oswaya na fa.
Oswaya na fa. Enti me sraw we ya me kira me. Me yi efa. Frɛ me beda urade ase. Ha. But ba ku bi de. Eno no mu a mo pe fast we ya adwuma no enya say we nya adwuma o we ya adwuma we so ya adwuma ba we sika sem no enye enko faster eno no your quotation no
0548719269 ofra
ba me ba kire de otifie oni adwuma ye o se so for ma brevitifie se oni adwuma o hweme
se hye no
we ya dey
ahyichire sugar
we ya dey
sugar
we say mudi gu kokom
e di gu kokom
mudi gu team
e di gu team
ba nim say we di pa adwuma
sugar e di sugar pa adwuma
we so ye dey
cinnamon powder
we say onom kura onim say etu yare bebiri o onim say we ye di pa adwuma
minim da
onim say we so ye di pa kunu
minim da cinnamon powder
upekuna upeso wali obi a
papa is watching one room
ba we adwuma dem be kire
okay
on we ni mienu
opa adwuma
be fa bo ka kitikiti
okay
no hwe sugar no
okay
no hwe cinnamon
okay
na wo de afra ini yo wo de fra na wo don sawe bi a hwe mensa
we no de chef infino tenteno
na de siboni
uhie ahyichire no kakra na uhie cinnamon no kakra na de gu plate ketwani ma na wo de nsa we no asiboni mu sei okay
na de sim kai wo de sim anu abebie samfo
wo bie samfo Tina that time na won say sim.
Aye. Psalm 4 no reciting it 3 times.
No kan Psalm 4 say 3 times. Na won say sim.
Aye.
Na wo kan.
O kan wi a o kan djuma wo. Na yi unsan na ye ni say. Na sanfa boom. No ano.
Eti udi boma. Udi unsa we no ebesi bonim. A ehyeche ne sina mo ni wom no. No kan Psalm 4 no. Obeka ni say 3 times. O kan wi a unsa na sisem no. No yi dia atafre. 1. Na say the sim. What's atafre? 2. What's the sim? That's a third one here. 3. What can you man?
What can you man? Okay, you man na fani na kwesha wo compass. Me say, una ye mfa wo se mu paju wan ye adwuma. Benya adwuma. Benya adwuma papa so.
Ebe ba.
Adwuma for.
Papa, I don't know, I want my application. I say obia.
Adwuma for there.
Okay.
Adwuma. Ma chewe mfre me.
Papa so a chewe, sunsu na chewe mfre. O pese o Fred ya
nti bu video na
video no twatwa so
adwuma die now obi a we dey menche a secret
papa chen ke to bi
obi a like obi a de debi me ka on say ko ayinti etu di obi a o say wo internet frame sema amaka Osi obia wo internet wa unim ohun so ye dwuma wo internet so enti wakasa wie frɛ number no 0548719269 o fra se papa me dem wo internet so enti chem de menye me ton nyoma as like o ton
online business
o ton nyoma o je mpaboa na wa ton you want to boost
Motivation
obia udija market udija okurum fa we susu we mienu na mixing
okay bebere anaka krebe okay
o store fa go pete wo eno so kan sam 3
obi a odidwa market ne nkwaye a oton ayento
won se nipa ma
emma
oton odijo tomatoes one boutique odidwa onim se nipa ne ma
on fa cinnamon powder no on fa chichire mfla na on mix it no on kan sam 3 na on petting gu no store
eno ano no na so pon fo dare
okay
e bia onko yadwuma on
fa nyare
on hwe nipa baba betadi
anokwa yenya nipa organo na mumie nso ne mu ye na abochemfo ne omo a chichire ne abre chichire boafo mo pena twende na ko mesere mo mumie nso papa mu ye
yaduru so afeni eba instant money no so
afeni eba instant money u pesika tentem quick money
agent yes can agent
open urgent money
say me pesika mo biadin
mo biadin
ubo ni pandin emfa
o si enkobo biadin say o dia u pesika wo asomasi wo o pesika wo asomasi wo mo biadin o dia tie de obeka no
on candle yellow green ade o di spray no so o be pe ya cho Paris
okay France for spray
Paris
okay
spray bia but yes Paris
okay
spray bia but mu say
ya cho Paris wo
ade
green candle o spray ho
sama spray ho mo biadin ubo ni pandin a emfa
yati papa yati yammo
Sedekil bofu na fe ne Sedekil the candles ni ne wo nafaleo ne de pine ni si wo
the pine
no de beba
life
with 21 blank candles ba mention no ye nafaleo we are Sedekil no be o demanding bisikoko oko
jifu bi wo
oko nipa no so wakai no wakai man send no at once we say no this kind of
Sedekil ye na ye fra ne dey Sedekil adoroma
Upe agent man ase wo hia
is cut ten. Yes.
Wo ye adwuma. Obi a ase wo ye adwuma. Like ase wo hia sika kwa dia ko yi ka. Oh, once obi sika. Bosia bi ase ko pesa be ma wo. Oh, se bibisa. O de fa. Candle na me se fa we ni spray the bush. So now dia go. We
yellow candle.
Yellow. Na dia. Say the kill. We there.
Red candle.
Shade.
Ni nya di spray be gu ho.
Ai. O say me wo Ghana no. Na me use
50 cedis.
One man that so.
The big sis. The big sis.
So man that so.
Oben that so no.
Okay, we secret bi wo menka. Me kan kofo bi. Oh, so man that so. Me boa. Now, do the perfume ni be si hwade. Sorry.
Ube spray so. Ube spray.
So spray so. No apek. Cinnamon powder.
Up cinnamon powder.
Tie you. Who the better from say now the cinnamon powder. Out for aguso. So
ube spray no so.
All the cinnamon powder no. Ebegu. Sika no so. Now what day? And channel sorry sugar no. Now the aye dey.
O de aguso.
Hwe de obeye. Who the green candle no ebesia.
The green candle ebesia ni ebesi. Sika ne soro.
Intimacy. Who the besi? Who the besia? Na de yellow na aye dey.
Eso asi ho.
Na de aye dey.
We on so de si na chi.
Na de red na aye dey.
Esi ni nchemu.
Ya na.
That time now was cinnamon no eguso.
Aye.
O sugar no eguso.
Aye.
What spray so awie.
Aye.
Okay.
Na eguso si ya.
Okay.
Hwe.
Okay.
Quotation no ni.
No na yasem no.
Quotation na ye de frade. Sam.
Papa, o be ka quotation no.
Meka.
Hey.
Menka na.
Papa nka. Obi ti ho, mane mfrɛ. Ofra or direction or ya or on friend on the quotation no
menka
on friend on the quotation
menka Sam menka Sam 4 there be menka
number near 0548719269 o se wo pese onye sika 10 ma direction na ya no fisika kese pa sika wo ba bia wo bia wo sika mu oduro pikisika no yellow candle red candle green candle upeja spray first sprayer ya tron Paris first sprayer ya tron Paris first sprayer ya tron Paris spray never cinnamon powder sugar we use kana spray so never cinnamon powder ni bi guso never sugar ni bi eguso we are for green candle na esi animu for yellow candle ni si akire never red candle ni si enchai we are Samson no wona ekọ twisika ni nyade aba Samson no ana ekọ twisika ndi aba
enti ubie Samson ni mu
ubie Samson ni ma
no start it
okay
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 waka no no wajai yabi
okay
on dem here amen Munda ju yeska sika we sunsu sika ye mre ni enya so wo bani pan bia wo bia ni so na brem wo ba rompabu na okasa wo ba ba no se jai amen mfa wano enum kende no dudum na enya adwuma
okay
fansa isi
enuano no
ma sika ne na wa ahwa di BBC
erade nyankopon ehia no nya kese na papa de o ma no 5 hours kura o ntimi kasa wie
sika ne na ho na de hwad BBC wa brabo
offer papa 0548719269 offer na
ne 7
papa
me ba ne 7 days no Uma scan that will say ya the 7 days no. No the scan. Ashe pes ready.
Enu ano no.
Ni scan di bi. Say scan na ye gina ye. E di ama. Da.
Hey, so kwate kwaso o month me ati di papa ye no mi sika mpa no da. Intasem no kan no kre no kwasem ana o ka kire no. Number ne 0548719269 0548719269. Ofe papa se papa ade na o change me huni na ma ye ni na aka Samson no. No sow seed. Ansa na Samson na ma because Samson no ekotwi sika abrawo. Ade na obecho no ekotwi sika kese na dia abrawo. Enti won keza be furu mu no sow seed de be furu kuma mu. 1 million 2 million no mesrawo. Yemfa sow seed. Ana o ka no bo afode e be ka wakoma. Crazy afore. Already go position. Ya wie ya kwa papa o last word I would ma wi ase.
Last word I me wi ase say. Yemfa honam e mobra. Ye di sunsun e na bobra. Yemfa honam e mobra. Ye di sunsun e na bobra. Wo de honam bobra. Shalom, peace, baba.